Hi guys, I am in Gomti Riverfront in Lucknow, and this is a very famous park within the city of Lucknow, and you will see a lot of people coming to this park and enjoying with their families and friends. So I'll go inside and I'll show you this entire park. Beautiful camel.
और का
Gomti Riverfront Park is completely free. You don't need to pay any fees to enter into, and you can come into this park and you can stay as many hours that as you want to. You will see a lot of people coming in the evening time. Today is a Sunday here, and a lot of crowd. I can see a lot of young crowd here. This is very interesting and a very awesome place in Lucknow. I really love this type of public parks, and one major fact I should tell you is that this park is very well maintained, and it is rarely seen in India. that a public park is maintained so very well, that too in the center of the city. So guys, this entire park is 2 kilometers long, and you can walk around. The river is just adjoining, and it's just so nice to roam around here, and perfect place for your walking. And I can see a lot of people are walking here, a lot of aged people as well. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Gomti River front in Lucknow. If you have any feedback, please write it on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any suggestion, please write to me. My email ID is tripglobally@gmail.com. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.